Okay, let's jump straight into what might literally be the biggest AI breakthrough of the year. Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're unpacking a highly anticipated, brand new paper from researchers at Microsoft and top universities. It introduces a framework called SkillOpt, and honestly, it is a massive paradigm shift in how we train and deploy AI agents. If you've ever felt that intense frustration of trying to wrangle an AI to do exactly what you want, well, this is exactly the explainer you've been waiting for.
Right now, our frontier models like GPT-4, Claude, or Gemini are absolute geniuses. But here's the bold, glaring contrast we have to face. We are still hand typing their instructions like cavemen, crossing our fingers and just kind of hoping for the best. We write these massive, fragile prompts, guess at all the edge cases, and manually tweak the text whenever the AI inevitably hallucinates or messes up a procedure. Human intuition is without a doubt the ultimate bottleneck in the age of superfast inference.
And that brings us to a really mind-bending question, one that completely reframes the entire problem. What if we could treat a simple text document exactly like the weights in a neural network? What if, instead of manually tweaking prompts, we could actually use the rigorous, mathematically sound discipline of machine learning optimization to train a plain text file? Keep that bold question in the back of your mind because the answer is about to completely flip how we deploy AI.
Section 1, the AI agent bottleneck.
Think about how incredibly fragile today's agent skills actually are. Right now, they're either handwritten by a developer who couldn't possibly foresee every single failure, or they're generated in a one-shot guess by another LLM trying to figure out what a good prompt should be. And yeah, sometimes developers try to let the AI loosely evolve its own prompts, but without strict controls, it's totally messy. It constantly overwrites good working behaviors just to fix new problems, completely failing to reliably improve over its starting point. It's literally like trying to build a skyscraper on shifting sand.
But the solution here is brilliant, and it comes down to two distinct elements. Think of the first element as ice. This represents our target model, our frontier AI. We keep it completely frozen. Zero expensive weight updates, zero fine-tuning. The second element is the fire. This represents an external tech skill. Instead of tweaking that frozen agent, we use a separate optimizer to train this external tech skill, burning away the errors and refining the instructions based purely on actual execution experience.
Section 2. Meet SkillOpt, Training Text.
Enter SkillOpt. To our knowledge, this is the world's very first systematic, controllable text space optimizer for agent skills. And that phrase right there, text space optimizer, is the absolute key to all of this. It's not optimizing code and it's not updating normal parameters. It systematically optimizes natural human language, applying the exact same scientific rigor that deep learning engineers use to train neural networks.
What's truly fascinating is how perfectly the researchers mapped complex machine learning engineering directly over to simple text editing. In traditional ML, you optimize parameters, right? Well, in SkillOpt, the parameter is the skill document itself. The gradients, or the mathematical direction you need to improve, becomes a proposed text edit based on how the agent performed. The learning rate becomes a strict edit budget, and the validation check, it becomes a held-out selection gate, which means a text edit is only kept if it mathematically proves it improves performance on completely unseen data. Section 3. Inside the optimization loop. So how does this actually run under the hood? Basically, an optimizer model watches how the frozen agent completes a task. Then it proposes bounded edits. Specifically, it decides to add, delete, or replace text in the instruction manual. SkillOpt navigates this entire text-based loss landscape with very small, highly calculated steps. It completely avoids those destructive semantic jumps, what the paper calls ad hoc updates, making sure the skill actually gets better step by step instead of just randomly changing its entire personality overnight. There's a beautifully complex engine driving these simple text edits. The system takes a batch of attempts, separates the successes from the failures, and essentially asks an optimizer AI to reflect on what went wrong. These reflections are then merged, ranked under that strict textual learning rate schedule we talked about, and rigorously validated. It's basically a highly controlled, automated factory for creating the absolutely perfect prompt. All of this boils down to 4 rapid-fire steps. 1. Run a batch of tasks using the current text skill. 2. Let the optimizer propose highly structured edits based on the errors. 3. Strictly validate those edits against held-out data. And hey, if it doesn't boost the score, it gets thrown out immediately. And 4. Update the skill document. You just loop this over and over, and your text instructions get mathematically sharper every single round. Now think about the memory system for a second. How do you stop an AI from making the exact same bad text edit twice? SkillOpt actually uses a rejected edit buffer. It saves failed text edits as negative feedback so the AI literally learns from its past mistakes. Meanwhile, an epic-wise slow update locks in stable, long-term rules. This brilliantly separates fast reactive tweaks from the durable procedural lessons the agent actually needs to master a domain.
Section 4. Massive gains, zero cost.
Now, you're probably wondering, does this actually work? The numbers in this paper are absolutely staggering. On GPT 5.5, which is already an incredible frontier model, SkillOpt lifts the average zero-shot accuracy by a massive 23.5 points across complex benchmarks. Think about that. We're talking about a nearly 25-point leap in intelligence, not by retraining a multi-billion parameter model, but literally just by automatically optimizing the text file it reads before it starts its task. And to prove this wasn't just a fluke, the researchers tested it exhaustively. Across 6 rigorous benchmarks, 7 different target models, and 3 execution harnesses, SkillOpt tied or beat the absolute best baselines on exactly 52 out of 52 evaluated cells. A clean sweep. It outperformed human experts, one-shot AI prompts, and other state-of-the-art prompt optimization frameworks every single time. Take Spreadsheet Bench as a perfect example of this contrast. The baseline model was really struggling, pulling in about a 41.8% accuracy when trying to execute complex spreadsheet coding tasks. But by running SkillOpt and optimizing the text instructions, that exact same frozen model shot up to an incredible 80.7%. It nearly doubled its capability simply because its procedural instructions were mathematically refined. But here is the holy grail of AI: transferability. You can optimize a text skill in one environment and literally just copy-paste it into another. For example, a text skill trained inside the Codex harness was ported directly over to Claude Code. The result? A near 60-point performance explosion. It lifted Claude from a 22.1 all the way up to an 81.8. This proves that SkillOpt isn't just gaming one specific model, it is discovering universally true procedural knowledge. And honestly, the absolute best part? Zero extra inference cost at deployment. Because all this heavy lifting, the rollout batches, the optimizer model, those reflection loops, all of it happens offline during training. Your final deployed model runs exactly as fast and as cheaply as it did before. You get all these massive 20 to 60 point gains without adding a single extra model call when your users are actually running the tool. Section 5. The future of skills. The efficiency here will blow your mind. You'd think these massive accuracy jumps would require thousands of changes, right? Nope. The researchers found they usually only require 1 to 4 accepted edits. The token cost is incredibly low, between zero point 0.6 and 46.4 million tokens per point of gain. And the output isn't some garbled, unreadable matrix of numbers. It is highly readable procedural logic in plain English. A human engineer can just open the file, audit exactly what the AI learned to do differently, and safely deploy it. So the ultimate mic drop of this entire paper is this quote right here. After all that complex AI training, all those epochs and rigorous validation gates, the final hyper-optimized brain of your agent is literally just a tiny exportable markdown file. It's called best_skill.md. It's between 300 and 2,000 tokens, and you can carry it anywhere, drop it into any frozen model, and instantly turn it into an absolute expert in your specific domain. It leaves us with a thrilling, maybe even slightly intimidating possibility. If the instruction manual itself can learn, reflect, and evolve autonomously under strict mathematical controls, if you no longer have to cross your fingers and guess at the perfect prompt, what impossible task will you conquer with your next frozen agent? Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer. Start thinking about what's going into your own best_skill.md, and I'll catch you in the next one.